Hello folks, and welcome to the Blackland sale in eastern North Carolina, down in Plymouth, North Carolina. And the sale will be February 18th. It's going on now online. We have a nice S690 combine, local farmer here in the neighborhood. And it has 3 or 4 combines himself, and he's updating. It has 2100 hours on it, on the engine, and 1379 on the separator. Power tool head. Just a good clean combine all the way around. Very little leaks on it. Combine's been sitting here about 2 weeks and not beat up anywhere at all. Just good clean all the way around combine. Shelter kept. Everything is in place. Good tires on the back. All the paint is good. Decals are good on it. Rear tires are 100% on. Just a real nice combine. Has the 30-foot auger on it. Extension. Again, when you look at it and look under it, it's been sitting here a couple of weeks or more. No oil under it. No drips, no leaks. All the shields in place. Just a real nice combine, very clean in the cab. Just all around good combine. If you're looking for a combine, here we are, right here. Blackland sale, eastern North Carolina, February 18th, 7 to 9 at night. Look us up, Richard Riggs.